Heartiest welcome to this channel. Speech on water pollution. Water is the lifeblood of our bodies, our economy, our nation, our well being. It is the closest thing to the God we have here on the earth. A very hearty morning to each and everyone present here. This is Minakshi from Class 8, and I got an opportunity to speak on the topic water pollution. Water. Water is driving force in nature. It is the centerpiece of all life. Somebody truly said that pure water is the world's first and foremost medicine. But do we really care of water and water quality? Dear all, we have read that the earth is covered with 70% water, but this is also true that due to water pollution, we are losing many water resources with the passing of time. And if this problem will not be checked soon, the whole world will be facing water shortage. My dear friends, water pollution is simply the presence of toxic chemicals or biological agents. And this polluted water can cause water to become toxic to humans and the environment. What are the causes of water pollution? British poet W.H. Auden once noted, "Thousands have lived without love, not one without water. Yet, while we all know water is crucial for life, we trash it anyway." Dear all, water is able to dissolve more substances than any other liquid on earth. Toxic substances from farms, towns, and factories readily dissolve into and mix with it, cause water pollution. And drinking or consuming polluted water in any way can lead to health issues in humans such as typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, and various other diseases. How to prevent water pollution? What we can do to help prevent it? Dear friends, water is a natural resource that all living creatures require. Let me share with you the United Nations report. According to United Nations, 2.2 billion people lack access to safe drinking water services. And experts estimated that by 2022, half the world's population will live in a water-stressed environment. There are various small changes we can make to protect ourselves from such a scary future where water will be scarce. We should plant more trees and plants. Cut down on chemicals. Use environmentally friendly or organic fertilizers and pesticides. Consume more organic foods. Avoid single-use plastics like plastic bottles and plastic grocery bags, and support environmental charities. Dear friends, let's create awareness among people, but remember that water pollution solution should start with us. And here I end. Thank you to all of you.